Guys, it's that time of the morning where I give you job updates and I'll be sharing my screen with you as I always do. I know it's a different one, yes. I've gotten comments saying, oh, you don't always show your face in job updates. So I'm showing my face now, but I will be sharing my screen most of the time. Okay, now let's go into the video. So the first one that you guys can see here is by T&I Professional Services. So this is a care company and they're currently sponsoring community support workers with tier 2 sponsorship, as you can see from the screen. And when you scroll down, of course, you click on show more, you see everything that they require from you, and this one is actually available if you're in the UK and you have a full UK driving license. Like I said, I post applications that cover everyone, and I would just say it's advisable you watch till the end of my videos, because most people just come and click on the link and go support your girl. It doesn't really cost you much to watch these videos. I try to make them very short, but you guys should support your girl and watch my videos at least, and help me gain watch hours at least, while you are applying to these jobs. So they have so many things that they offer you, their benefits, the salary range is there. So if this applies to you, just go right ahead and apply, and yeah, just get all the information you need from there. It's quite detailed. The next one we'll be looking at is the healthcare assistant visa sponsorship by Riddle Penrose School. So this one is a school looking for a healthcare assistant, and when you go through it, you would see the criteria as usual. Always click on show more, guys, so that you're not looking lost and wondering where the rest of the information is. So it tells you what they're looking for, the benefits that come with the job as well, as you guys can see. And here it says visa sponsorship available for overseas candidates, so go ahead and apply. Now the next one is care and support worker for UK applicants, and they have visa sponsorship as well, and this is by Recruiting 360. So it says here, from the beginning they said you must already be living in the UK and require a tier 2 sponsorship and be happy to relocate if need be. Right, so you have to be in the UK, and maybe what they mean by be happy to relocate is maybe if you are in Birmingham, you might be open to going to Berkshire, so that kind of thing, but you have to be in the UK. It states here, so please, if you're not in the UK, don't bother, don't come for me and say I posted what was not in the UK or what was not for overseas people. It's stated here. So let's move on to the next one, guys. I want this video to be as fast as possible. The next one is RM Recruitment, and they're hiring support workers, supported living, and it's for a tier 2 sponsorship. So it says this is in Slough, Berkshire, and it says that we have an excellent career opportunity for the role of supported living support worker within our supported living service. So when you go through, as usual, click on show more, you see everything that they expect you to have, being empathetic to people and kind, and your experience, they require you to be caring for people, and you have like a 1 year similar work experience in the role. And when you scroll down, you see the salary range, you see the benefits attached, you see the schedule. They offer day shift and night shift, so I'm sure it can be negotiable with your employer. And driving license preferable, so they are not saying you must have a driving license like the former one. So if you're driving, if you're not, you can still apply for this job if it applies to you. The next one we're going to be looking at is Royal Wolverhampton Recruiting for rapid access to social care healthcare assistant, and this is a band 3 position, as we all know. And some of the requirements is they require you to have experience working in a care setting for a minimum of 1 year, an NVQ level 3 qualification in care, and community experience is an advantage. So yes, if you've had a previous community care experience, then this job might be for you. A car owner slash driver with full UK driving license is essential for this position. So if you're in the UK and you have a full UK driving license and you feel like community work is your, you have interest in that, go ahead and apply, please. So go through, read what they're expecting of you, because that's how you make your cover letter and build up your CV. Tweak your CV, guys. Don't always just apply for a job without trying to tweak your CV, please. Very important, okay? Yeah, so when you go through, you read through, you know what they're asking you for. And when you come to sponsorship here, guys, it says application from job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the UK are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. So you see, if you're not in the UK, you can still apply for this job. You never can know. See, you never can know, guys. Just apply for this job, but make sure that you read this job description thoroughly, and that when you're applying, you tweak your CV. Don't submit a general CV. You can have 50 CVs for different job categories, okay? Don't lie, but tweak your CV to suit what they're actually asking you for in the job description. Okay, so yes, you can see now they said you can apply if you're in the UK or if you're abroad, and you stand the same chance. So it's all about experience, guys. So the next one is by Tees, Isk and Weir Valleys, and they're looking for healthcare assistant slash trainee, also a band 3 position. So when you go through, you read what they're requiring of you, you read the job overview, very important. The main duties of the job will help you tweak your CV and also your cover letter. And then you keep going down. You see this our values, very important. You need to coin your cover letter to suit the values that they represent as well, right? And then when you go down, you see what they're looking for, the person specification, so you know what you're doing. When you're putting in your cover letter, you have to make sure that you state that you provide person-centered care. For those of you that don't know what it is, if you want me to explain, let me know and I will be happy to explain. Ask your questions in the comment section. And when it comes to qualifications, you can see all the qualifications that they require from you. So read through and know if it applies to you, okay? And when you look down here, guys, it says if you are shortlisted for an interview, you'll be contacted by email. And always check your spam folder, guys. I think this is one thing people don't really know. They don't check their spam folder sometimes, and some people might miss job opportunities because they might invite you for an interview, but unfortunately it has gone to your spam, and then you won't see it until this happened to me before. Okay, so it's like lesson learned. All right. So it says application from job seekers who require sponsorship to work in the United Kingdom are welcome and will be considered alongside all other applications. So this is similar to the previous one. So please, if you're not in the UK, I tell you, you never know where luck will just speak for you. Just never know. So don't give up and say, oh, you're not applying again. Apply, okay? And I recently got a message from someone saying that she watched my videos and got tips, and she's gotten a job offer now. So yes, more wins, more testimonies, okay? She doesn't want to come public, so that's fine, okay? I'm just happy hearing the news. I don't care who comes public or not, as long as someone tells me, oh, I watch your videos and I get a job from it, or I got a job from it, that's all that matters to me. All right, guys, so these are the updates I have for you from today, and I will be seeing you as usual in my next video. Take care, guys.